is still counting, believe you me. And I'd like to invite Miss Indupuri, former international table tennis player, Mr. Neeraj Kansal, Secretary Sai again, and Dr. Manju Kalra Prakash, Assistant Secretary General FICCI, to kindly present this award. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to the Services Sports Control Board.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I'd like to thank the jury for acknowledging the contribution of the armed forces in the field of sports. As already brought out, we've been associated with sports from the very beginning and the founder members of various sports federations. I would like to thank the prestigious organization FICCI for honoring us today evening. Thanks a lot.
Now we move on to the best company promoting sports in the private sector. The nominees are Tata Steel, the Football Link Sports Private Limited, Sportscraft Incorporated, Sporty Solutions Private Limited, Lasertech, and the award winner is a company which is invested in shooting. Top 3 interventions in sports, that is set up and management of 10-meter shooting ranges, facilities of over with 600 shooters practicing under expert trainers, shooting awareness campaigns at schools and corporates. And I'd like to invite for the Technical Director of All India Football Federation, Mr. Robert Barn, and Mr. Rajpal Singh, Director FICCI, to kindly present this award. And this award goes to Sportscraft Inc. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
We'd like to thank the jury first. We've been working, it's a new company, but with the objective to promote the sport at an international level. The federation, the National Rifle Association, which is the backbone of this company and has been supporting us relentlessly to make this sport happen in next 8 years. The target for NRI is 8 gold medals or 8 medals in 2020, and we support that cause. Thank you so much.
Well, it's a very interesting evening heading forward. Now, from this Sports Awards, we move on to the 11th award, the Best Event Management Company in Sports. The nominations received: Sports Solutions Private Limited, Lele Sports, Front Foot Sports Management Private Limited. Well, here's a company that changed the landscape of badminton in India. They're commercial partners of Indian Badminton League 2013, which is the richest badminton tournament, attracting top 50 players, including men's number 1, Lee Chong Wei of Malaysia. Official marketing and event partners to the India Open Super Series organized by Badminton Association of India. Glamorized the sport by organizing fashion show involving Indian badminton stars. That's interesting. And live performance from rock bands. Well, they introduced innovations in playing arena like focus lights and tunnels, and they introduced this for the first time. Organized grassroots badminton program Shuttle Express, and more than 120 schools and 50,000 participants. That's a huge number. The event was organized across 6 cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Lucknow and Pune. I'd like to invite Ms. Deepika Kumari and Mr. Shubhrata Datta, Senior Vice President, All India Football Federation, to kindly present this award. And the award goes to Sporty Solutions. A big round of applause. Now we go on to the best startup in sports. FICCI conducted a study on startups in sports in India last year, which was released during TURF 2013, the Global Sports Summit held in October last year. This award is based on the real-time information gathered from more than 50 companies, out of which 25 were published in a FICCI report titled Best Startups Ideas of Sports. It received a phenomenal response. A lot of innovation is happening around at the ground level in the realm of sports, with so many entrepreneurial ventures. For example, sports focused consultations, grassroots development initiatives, online activities in sports. And the best examples under this category, based on FICCI's report, are EduSports, Libero Sports, India's first and only strategic football consultancy, Sportskeeda.com, an online venture. And may I call upon and request Director General Doordarshan, Mr. Tripurari Sharan, and Mr. Sunil Uke to kindly present this award to this company, which was founded by a group of passionate sports enthusiasts with a vision of having fitter and more active school children. It works with schools to implement a best-in-class physical education sports program. It has been hugely successful in transforming school physical education activities with a presence in 82 cities. The key product is age-appropriated structured curriculum and tools suited for Indian context. Please welcome the winner, EduSports, Mr. Shamil Majumdar.
This is a great honor. On behalf of EduSports, very proud to accept this award. Thank you, FICCI. Thank you, Rajpalji and team. We've been working with schools trying to get kids to play across schools for the last 5 years. And this is a great recognition of the effort. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir, for doing us the honors. Thank you once again. All right, we move on to the 14th award for this evening. Nominations received: National Rifle Association of India, All India Football Federation, Federation of Motorsports Club of India, Billiards and Snooker Federation of India. And the award goes to a federation with a quantum investment of 5,600 lakhs. It runs a program called Lakshya Common Roadmap to Excellence, proposes to develop national curriculum for their sports development, is working fundamentals to professionalize sports, has proposed a new national talent identification plan, a national youth development program, created support structures like basic infrastructure, admin support, medical support, communications, events, coach education, and referee development program. It has regional academies with world-class infra support staff. Its grassroots development program currently running in as many as 6 states. I'd like to invite Mr. Neeraj Kansal again, Sports Authority of India Secretary, and Mr. Sanjeev Paul to kindly do us the honors again, sir. As and when All India Football Federation is announced as winner, and I'd like to also invite Mr. Sukhwinder Singh, Managing Director, Libero Sports, to kindly join us on the stage, please. May I please invite the department heads of this winning federation. The award goes to the All India Football Federation. And may I invite all the department heads of AIFF, Mr. Sunanda Dhar, CEO, I-League, Mr. Anil Kamath, Director Competitions, Mr. Shubhankar Mukherjee, Director National Teams, Colonel Gautam Kar, Head Referees Department, Mr. Nilanjan Datta, Media Manager, AIFF, and Colonel BMR Mehta to kindly come up on the stage. This complete team has done an amazing job, and congratulations as they receive the award.
Feel honored, but it would be incomplete if I don't invite 4 of the doyens of Indian football on the administrative side who have helped us to accomplish this. Mr. Shubrata Datta, Mr. Khalil, Mr. Mathur, and Mr. Datta.
Well, the excitement is too much on the stage.
This is a moment of mixed feelings. I feel elated for this honor, and I also feel that more responsibility has been bestowed on us. And this has come at a juncture when FIFA has entrusted on us to host the U17 World Cup in the year 2017.
Now we move on to the Best State Award. Well, nominees under this category are Tripura, Jharkhand, Manipur, Punjab, Kerala. In the winning state, the tradition of sports dates back to the ancient history with a famous focus on developing skills in indigenous games, especially the martial arts. Here, sports run in the blood of people. Statesmen have been inborn qualities to excel in various sports. The state was the runner-up in weightlifting, archery, boxing in last national games. It has given the prodigies who got international medal for the country in the Asian Games and then the Olympics. There are unbeaten champions in the sports of cycling, fencing, canoe and kayaking. I'd like to invite Mr. Baljit Singh Sethi, Senior Advisor, National Rifle Association, to kindly give away this award. Sir, kindly may I request you to do us the honors. May I request Dr. Kalra also to kindly come up on the stage to give away this award. Secretary Sai. Well, it's very, very heartening that all the sports bodies have gotten together today with all the distinguished administrators. It's a great sight indeed. And the winner of this award and the state from the Northeast, please welcome Manipur.
Well, the Resident Commissioner of Manipur receiving this award. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, the jury and Vicky, for this award on behalf of the Government of Manipur. And we hope that this will be an inspiration for the state of Manipur to produce more international sports persons in the few years. Thank you very much.
With this, we come to the end of the India Sports Awards for 2014.